it doesn't block your field of vision at all.
There's nothing obstructing anything, and there's nothing here.
You have that outline around your face. I don't think you'll get that with this.
We have a lot of little ones, and the mask that he has is very scary. And this one doesn't look like that at all.
I think it's great.
I generally sleep kind of like this way into the pillow. It's a lot more comfortable than I thought it was going to be honest with you. It's kind of a different experience because I roll around a fair bit.
It's much smaller than I expected it to be, and very, very light. I won't even care that it's there. I may not even notice that it's there, which is a great thing. So you ought to go find it and give it a try.